So this is your pattern. These are the ones that we've done in the past. Okay. So here's your front.
Okay.
Like your bodice. Let's take that. Okay.
Like that? Alright. Where's the other half? Where's that?
No.
This.
Let's see that.
Ah. Alright. Go ahead.
No.
Alright.
Okay, so
Let's put that up.
that's fine. Oh my god, this is gonna be special. Hey, do you wanna? So your sleeve. So we decided that the sleeve doesn't need to come up, right?
Right.
So we don't need this.
Don't need that. Take it off. Big knife.
No.
Oh, okay. We'll use that later.
Oh my
It's my
god.
box cutter.
You brought your box cutter. We're not opening fabric today, dear. Alright, so this sleeve is good to go except for your length. Okay? So the top of this sleeve goes up here.
So is that where I measure from here to here, and then go from there to there?
Pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So do you want some measuring or do you want to measure yourself?
I'll measure myself.
Okay. Are you sure you don't want help?
What do we get? 16 1/4 inches.
Okay. So you good with
Why
that?
don't you double check my measurement?
Now that you have all your pattern pieces, now we can do your fabric. Okay?
All right.
So first you need to make sure if you, what are you doing the body as the print?
Yes.
And you're doing the sleeve and the neckband
As
as the brown?
the brown. Yes.
Yes?
Body, sleeves. What was that?
I don't know. Paper.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, what were you saying?
Body and this beautiful SSE matte fabric.
Okay.
Sleeves and neck in this fabric. It's beautiful
brown.
too.
It's brown.
This brown fabric.
There you go.
Yeah, I can
Okay.
see it. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
So did you say you want to do your sleeve first?
That's
or
the
your
body.
bodice first?
Let's do the bodice.
Okay, now I'm using some of this fabric too, so we have to be very careful and cut carefully.
Okay.
So that way you leave me with fabric.
There's only one way to cut.
I'm
That's carefully.
I'm allowing you to cut first. Where are you going?
Get ready to cut.
Are you leaving?
Let's do this.
Okay.
So what do we do first?
So set that aside. 'Cause
Set
that's
this
what
aside.
you're gonna- so, yeah.
All right.
Okay. So how many fabric?
All right.
Oh my god. Oh, Lord help me. Okay. When you get your fabric,
He did. He sent you me.
stop. Just stop.
Trying to help. All right.
Sit down
Sit.
and listen. Okay.
Okay.
So if you look, do you see this down here?
Yes.
It's kind of curly. It's cotton lycra, cotton spandex, same thing. Okay.
Good point back.
Yes, that's good. Back. This is called your selvage.
Salvage. Okay.
Selvage.
Salvage.
Yeah.
All
Not like Brecker salvage. Selvage.
All right.
Okay. Look, there's more stretch this way than there is this way.
Mhm.
Okay, not too much, but you want the greatest amount of stretch going around your body.
Okay. So that way, as I grow, the shirt can stretch with me.
Yes.
Okay.
So as you move, it's not restricting your movement.
Ah. Okay.
Okay. You have the option of using a, no,
Just gonna cut with this.
you are not using your box opening fabric, scissors,
All right.
knife, whatever.
All right.
Okay.
I'll use this.
So this is a rotary.
Okay.
This is nice, very nice fabric scissors.
Okay.
So you can use this or you can use
Let's
this.
try the rotary.
Okay, now, don't cut your finger off, please.
I'll try not to.
So, open, close.
That's fancy.
Okay,
Okay.
stay on. Okay, so you pick the rotary.
Pick the rotary.
Okay, so can I give you a tip?
Yes.
I like to start here
Please do. Okay. So you start there.
and cut down.
You cut
Don't
down.
forget to go straight. straight,
Okay, then go straight.
and you come up, like,
Tight 90.
pick it up,
Okay, pick it up.
and then you turn it.
All right.
Can you please put the blade in?
Sorry.
Thank you. That thing is sharp, okay?
So cut straight,
Yes.
and then pick it up.
I like to clip my pieces to no pattern.
Okay.
So if we're doing this and then you walk away and you come back later on, you know which piece this is.
Okay.
It's especially helpful when you're working with wovens that you don't want to get stretched out.
Is this a woven?
No.
No.
Is this a woven? Yes, you do.
What's a woven?
These are wovens. These shorts.
I like those wovens.
This is knit.
Okay.
This is woven. I can't even explain any more than that right So I just like to clip it on here. So see now I'm blushing. It keeps the pattern pieces together and then it
Got it.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So
Anyways.
let's put the pattern pieces together. So if I go into the other room to go to the bathroom or something, and I come back, I know what this pattern piece
Yes.
is for, right?
Yes.
All right, cool. Makes sense.
Okay.
I like
so
that.
that's
I'll have to clip it together like every 3 inches or something.
no.
All right.
No, I like-
think put it drywall.
I like to do it with the wovens more because then it'll stretch and stuff, but
Okay.
then they have a
And
going back.
this is a knit.
Yes, and it has
Okay.
like a going back.
Okay. But the wovens don't.
Not normally.
Okay.
Okay, so like,
Cool.
yay, look at you.
Ooh, there's my bodice.
Your front bodice. Okay, in a way sometimes.
Just
So
get rid of
I'm
that.
gonna cut this piece off here.
That piece.
Okay. But I like to keep these pieces because they work really well for pockets or for joint test stitches when we go sew.
Both knee pads.
Yes, knee pads when
Knee
we're
pads.
tiling.
Careful with those
Yes.
scissors. All right. Scissor safety. All right.
You scissor safety me after you were flipping around the rotary blade?
I'm gonna flip it around. All right.
Okay.
Let's rotary this thing.
You ready?
Wind up.
Put the blade in. Rotary safety here.
Rotary safety. All right. I hit the button.
Oh, I'm like, did you just break the blade?
No, I just hit the button one way.
I'm laughing because I've done that a couple
Bad. It's accidental retraction of the blade. All right.
times. What? Accidental retraction of the blade?
Blade retracted. I accidentally hit the button, which retracted it, so it's an accidental retraction. All right.
I'm gonna have to do like a glossary of terms for Jeff's sewing. Going back,
One back.
accidental retraction of the blade. You have your
Sorry.
you have your front and your back bodice is cut
Okay.
out.
Front back box is cut
Now
out.
you're gonna
Check.
do your sleeve.
Sleeve. It's gonna be with this cool stuff.
Okay. So hopefully you have enough fabric.
I hope so. We'll find out.
And then are you doing your neckband with the brown too or the print?
The neckband is gonna be, I was thinking brown for the neckband.
Okay. Okay.
That way the sleeves come up with this brown and then it carries through the neckband. Flows like water. All right.
Why are you talking like that?
I don't know. So I don't want to angle it like this, right?
Right, because, and that's why they have. Yay me.
Yeah, you.
Alright, I'll pull it again.
All right. Now let's put some of these on there. Get some of those wrinkles out of there.
The one here. There you go.
All right. Let's use the last two so they don't feel left out. Okay.
Blade. That's how you chip your blade. And I don't have any more right now, so don't
We
chip
better
my
not chip
blade.
a blade.
Wait, are you purposely gonna chip the blade so I can't cut out mine?
That would be pretty dirty.
Yeah, that would be dirty.
No, I'm in this thing fair and square.
You think you're gonna win it?
I think so.
You probably will.
I don't know. We'll see. Woo! I did it again.
Don't go off.
You know what would be cool?
Blade.
I got an idea. So
Okay.
I build you a little thing on some ball bearings that raises this up. It's about this size. So as you cut, you just spin it around. What do you think? Well, I make it big. I make it like pretty big so we can pile the excess fabric on. And as you're working, you just spin that, and you don't have to worry about getting all these weird angles. Oh, I'm gonna build that. Okay.
Really? That
Yeah.
sounds kind of cool.
It does. And actually mount one of these on it.
Well, I would need it big enough to do two because if I'm cutting pants or a dress, I use two of these.
Well, then I'll mount two of them on it. That's an idea.
That's a very good idea. I like it.
All right, so let's scissor this thing. Did you notice I put the blade in?
Yes, you did.
Look at that. Good job, huh?
Nagging works. Nagging works.
That wasn't the point of that. Oops. All right, let's take a look at that.
You get strings everywhere.
I do.
All right, turn it right side up.
All right, look at that. That's a good search line. All right, let's check out this shirt.
Where are you talking like that?
Can't tell which one's front and back.
The higher is the back.
So that's gonna be that side. All right, look at that.
Good job.
That looks good.
No holy armpits?
No holy armpits, but that doesn't line up.
It's okay. It's a little off.
A little
But
off.
that's really good for your first time. Good job.
How about that side? Am I lined up?
Yeah, pretty close.
Ooh, look at that.
Okay.
That's off. That's way off. Holy mackerels. All right.
It's only off like a quarter of an inch.
Yeah, nobody's gonna notice.
No.
Except for me.
You look in your armpit?
No.
So you won't notice it either.
But if I do your armpit pose where I'm trying to smell my armpit, I might notice it. All
Okay, anyways.
right, here we go. Oh, no, yeah, I did.
Okay.
I love the fabric. All right. They need to design a fabric clipping machine kind of like a circular. So the machine clips the fabric forward.
Funny. You think so?
Okay, clerk.
A closure?
Welcome back to Jeff Shit. Start over.
What was that?
Blah, 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 blah. All right.
Okay, so now we're gonna do your hem. Remember you're pulling it to the back.
Yep, that's the back.
That's the front.
That's the front.
It'll be fun though. We can have like sewing days.
And a truck I need to build. And I'll tell you what, we can do that if you help me rebuild my carburetor. Last one.
So don't get all crazy at the end there.
Like that.
Stop.
Woohoo! All right, now what?
Okay, so now you want to go through and check and make sure your serger tails are all cut off, all your threads are gone.
That one checks out.
Okay.
That one checks out. Good.
Okay.
Good.
All right, now turn it right side out.
Oh, wait. Yeah, okay, crooked. All right.
There's just a rope thread. Can you
All
turn
right.
off the sewing machine, please?
No.
It drives me crazy. Crazy. Okay, let's see it.
Okay. All right, let's see what this shirt looks like. Oh yeah, the winning shirt.
Sure.
This looks nice. Look at that.
Very nice.
All right,
All right.
seems good. Or whatever.
Hem?
Hem.
Your seams are good
My
too.
seams are good. Hem's good.
Nice job.
Back looks pretty good.
Can you stand up and hold up here? Let's see it.
I think it'll fit.
Look good.
I think it's gonna look good. I'll have to try it on.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My first shirt.
Yes.
Very cool.
Cool. So we'll do a little bit of a good press on it. Just smooth out the little wrinkles, but I think you did a good job.
All right. I should try it on.